Nestled in a professionally landscaped yard in a southeast Portland neighborhood, this one-of-a-kind 1913 vintage charmer is tastefully renovated inside and out. Brick walkways, a new covered large front porch, and inviting front entry welcome you home, where it's easy to relax and unwind. Discover beautifully refinished hardwood floors, high ceilings, meticulously restored original woodwork and wood trim, a gas fireplace with custom tile surround, and built-ins. Thoughtfully renovated, the kitchen and baths were professionally updated and blend seamlessly with the vintage look and feel of the home. The private yard is a peaceful retreat and a gardener's paradise that's also ideal for outdoor entertaining or just relaxing with a book while listening to the breeze in the trees. The detached garage is an active workshop or art studio, already wired with a 240-volt service. On the upper level, you'll find generous bedrooms with tons of character in this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home of more than 2,700 square feet. The lower level is light and bright and fully updated, providing an ideal family room, media room, or separate living area. Plumbing, sewer, and electric have all been modernized. Vintage style with modern colors and upgrades in Southeast Portland's Creston-Kenilworth neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour, please contact James Bradley with Premier Property Group.